percent.
Yeah, we didn't even put in the slow down here. Oh, what is that? Okay, so we didn't even put in a low. I think we're just gonna displace up higher. We had something similar to this happen. Oh, what the? You guys hear that too?
Yeah,
Bro,
it is
it's
crispy.
echoing so bad.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. So we didn't really put in a low, just like here. We have a really small low that we put in. I want to see what we do in Asia. I want to look for a Judas swing because I'm gonna start incorporating that into my trading a lot more because I'm missing out on that. And I'm just basically hopping around, trying to learn some new things so I could teach other people. Nothing too fancy though. So we're just bullish going into tomorrow. No PD raise. I think we're just gonna pump. Let's hop on FX replay. Get my indicator set up and
Yo, wait.
what's up?
Yo, man, so I have a question.
What's up?
How do you get that like that massive candle on your chart? Like if you're like looking at like a daily range, how do you get that on your trading view?
It's a secret.
Oh.
Not kidding. I'm kidding. Right here. It's Power 3 by who is this guy? It's Power 3. Hold up. It's this one guy who made the toe degrees. It's hold up. Higher time frame Power 3. This one right here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna
Sweet.
try using
Appreciate
it
it.
because I want to identify open, high, low closes and stuff like that. And I'm gonna use Power 3 on the daily a little bit more. Give us a little bit higher win rate. Someone give me a date to trade on. Sometime that is more recent. I don't want to go back in like 2016 again. Where should we go? Someone tell me, please. G Crispy, calling you out.
Uh, let's go September.
September. Right after August, huh?
Yeah, shit. I don't
We're
know.
good. We're good. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna use this little specimen right here. And we got this. Okay, fresh 50k account. I'm gonna change up this chart setting a bit because it's destroying my eyes. Oh, that's crazy. I'm gonna hop over here and just grab this one I'm using. How do you get the like actual hex codes for? Oh, never mind, I got it. Alright. Perfect. Now we're on this chart. I don't have my indicator. Let me just pop that on. Is that DMNs? Let's throw that on and test that. Oh, they actually put the. Do you guys know this one, the Book of Happy Laka, or something? Yeah, they're using it right here, 5 a.m. I didn't think they'd actually throw this on here, but this is pretty cool. But that's not what we're learning about today. Yeah, that's all weird. This one's also messed up. Hold up. I just want to find the actual session. I'm sorry, this is taking a bit. Yo, what?
Futures Exchange Session 3.0.
They don't have that. I'm using FX Replay. They're
That's
messed up. Yeah, this is really messed up. Asia session. This isn't even Asia. Hold up. Alright, this is closer to Asia. No, we'll just use this. And this is New York. I think these are kill zones then. This sucks. Sorry about that. Okay. I don't trust this one bit. That is. I was just tripping. Okay. What's up, everyone? Welcome. Okay, so 8 p.m. Let me just confirm. Okay, so 8 to 2:45. I'm just gonna keep that in mind because that's the thing we're trading. Yeah, this better go up to 2:45. Okay, it's close enough. We'll use this. Okay, so let's just move over to the next day. This is a Friday. And straight up to the next day. We're gonna try leveraging this 50k account using a new strat. Oh yeah, you could type in all your questions that you want, and we could just go over that. Okay. We mark out our times, session highs and lows before midnight. Boom. Okay, so we just ran out that high. We have this low here. Okay, so if we get displacement below this low, then we're gonna be bearish on the day. Let me check out the daily, because this is kind of a foreign concept to me. And we kind of look good for shorts just because of this massive fair value gap right here. I think we're just going to accumulate in this range. So, just keep that in mind. See if we can push a little bit lower. Actually, let me see what the daily candle's doing. Yeah. Give me a minute. Let's see if we can get displacement lower through this low. If we don't get that, then I'm not going to use this. I think we're just going to push straight through it. Yeah, we're
Probably gotta take out the Asian lows.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hide this away because we're not gonna need it. Okay, forget about that. We're just gonna trade normally now. So we could have potential low resistance liquidity. Let's look for 4-hour PD arrays. Yeah, as I said, I think we're just gonna accumulate in this range. This just market our session highs and lows. Okay, and not much PD arrays we're looking at. We have this high up here that we took out. But as we're retracing up, we could have a potential rejection block up here, but I doubt it. See the hourly, usually we just take out, we take out these lows. I'm expecting a slow retrace up higher. We could look for a mean threshold of an order block to reject off of, because that's usually what we do in these type of conditions. Yeah, a ton of accumulation up here. I just want to keep this order block marked out. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's see New York open. Let's see how we open. Oops. A little bit too high. Is that Mahaz? Yo, what's up, Mahaz?
What up, G?
What's up? How are you doing, bro?
I'm good. How are you? Feeling better?
Yeah, feeling a little bit better. So,
Rested and stuff?
huh? Yeah, I'm feeling real rested. I was boxing all day today, so I'm chilling. Okay, we're actually getting some displacement low. I should be checking out the 1 minute, looking for this up here. This accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Straight through this low. And with our with the bias I have, we're going to be in accumulation. I want to look for a fair value gap. Something to take a trade off of. So let's look for that. We're also going to use our OTE range. So slide this out. We're just going to wait for a low to get put in. Right down here. And I want to see something back up in here. This OT for value gap plus mitigation block look pretty good for a short. My stop would be above that high, so we're gonna wait. If we displace straight through,
Wouldn't that be a BPR too?
yeah, you're right. But I don't think we're gonna be able to get tapped into it. I'm just gonna trail this with it, look for an OT entry. But the sell model's already getting pushed through. And this is our return to original consolidation, so we kind of missed that move. We could have done better. There's not much we could have done. If we took an inversion play, we could have gone up here, but I feel like that'd be a little bit chasing. Yeah, I'm not going to be looking for a trade. Just going to look at the 5 minute, higher time frame, power 3-2. So we could be looking for lower prices. We could be looking for shorts. So I'm not going to get too lapsed up in the lower time frames. But I just want to wait for this 15-minute candle to close, see if we can form a fair value gap, and we could use that to frame a trade off of. So let's just watch the 1 minute, be cautious of the time we're in. Let me see if we missed a 5 minute silver bullet play. We did not, so we're fine. Okay, 15 minute. Now we form this fair value gap slash BPR. I mean, wouldn't the, let me think. No, I'm just gonna keep this marked out. We didn't have anything down here. What I'm looking for now is just shorts to complement our current bias of this power 3. We did not break out this low, but this is going to be our draw on liquidity. If we can get a good entry like this fair value gap up here, we could be looking for shorts down to this level, but we're a little bit too late on that. So we're going to be looking at the higher time frame picture. Still no trades yet. We got our displacement lower, and I think we're just going to run straight low. I don't think we're going to get much of a movement back up into our discount. You just check out the daily candle. I would use our standard deviation levels to determine where we're going. I can expect a little bit lower. As I said, we're probably just going to chop up in this range. Similar to what we were doing a few days ago until we had this massive pump out. So, that's all I'm really expecting. We can expect lower prices. I just want to mark out my threshold of this order block for me on the 5 minute. We don't have it on the 5 minute. Just going to keep it marked out because it looked like we did respect it for a bit, but not much. Keep this high marked out. We did actually respect it all the way up, and this is a little bit too late to be looking for a trade. It's almost 11. This for value gap, I'd say would be okay, just because we have this low-hanging fruit objective, but that's not really much of a move I want to take. Let me take out our standard deviation, just see how much order levels are. Yeah, that's high. Okay. Yeah, you can see this is probably the right levels just because we tapped into it, bounced off of it. Now we're trading below the standard deviation levels, which I usually just like to think of that as full reversal. You can see we're buy side the curve, now we're pushing it to sell side, displace lower, so we can expect lower prices. Low hanging fruit has been taken out, and let's see what we do based off this. I just want to confirm for our PD arrays, see if we have any going lower. 1 hour, not much. Yeah, I'm just going to keep this low as a target because it kind of looks like a seek and destroy profile. Like, boom, take out this high, took out this low. It looks like we could continue to do the same. Just because on the higher time frame, this was us tapping into a discount, so, or premium. So now let's look for movement lower. Not really any good setups I'd like. This is obviously just pushing straight lower, which we can't really frame much setups off of that. We would just be watching it, calling out, or looking, speculating a few entries, but nothing we would actually be taking. So our value gap up here. Not really an inversion. We actually respected that high, so still expecting a lower. There's no soup. If there was a turtle soup, we have one on a 3 minute, and it could be considered the 2 minute. This could be kind of a retracement entry. Not much. Nothing I'd be too confident in, but see it. Take out that high. If we get displacement lower, I could consider taking a trade, but okay, we're a little bit too close to the lunch hour, so I don't want to be looking for that. There we go. There's a displacement lower. And this inversion is where I would normally be looking for shorts. Should we take a short here? This is a 1 to 2. I don't like that. And we just took out. I mean, this.
Oh, we are in a higher time frame market maker sell model,
Yeah,
so
we are. At least as long as it's a 1 to 3, I'm fine with it. I don't like how we're heading into lunch and how tight this stop is, but I'll do it. For this trade, we'll risk 125 because max daily loss on this account is 250. Let's see if we get tapped in, filled. I don't think we will. Yeah, just because we have this hair time from BPR. I think we'll get close. Tapped in currently. Let's see what we do. I don't like how we're. Okay, let's see. We just took out this low. We're pushing up higher. Had a small market structure shift, but we are trading inside of this fair value gap. Plus, we have this order block up here. So this trade idea, it's still valid until we start invalidating some of this stuff up here. But push lower. Also, when we get a little bit too close to lunch hour, I just want to take some off, or just de-risk in profit. So let's see. Right here, I don't really like it anymore, but we're gonna hold through it, even if we get stopped out, because we're not really gonna paper hand this anymore. Moving to the lunch macro, I just want to take it off here. I would just straight up accept losses, take it out, because we're most likely gonna run up, take out this high, do something weird, and then continue pushing lower, because that's just what a time distortion during lunch does, which I'm okay with it. And we're out of the trade. So we failed to actually. We were holding onto our bias a little bit too much, just because of this right here. Took out this low. We also had a little bit partial 3 drives at this low high resistance liquidity. Prices failing to break lower, and we were starting to disrespect this right here. Tap into consequent entrenchment of it. Not much help. Not much what's happening. I'm not gonna let that
3
button-
drive.
Yeah, 3 drives of those lows. This could also be a soup entry. I just want to see a reaction off this, just because we wanted to retrace. We could have a retracement up here, but let's just see our reaction off this displacement. It looks like we're gonna dump from this, but let's see this. We're waiting till post lunch to take a good trade, and yeah, that looked like a good turtle soup entry, right? Like a good trade. And it worked out in the beginning, but it didn't work. And that's. What time is this? Hold up, 12:38. I think we were trading some holiday. Okay, I think markets closed early. What time? It went from 11 a. Okay, I was just confused. Okay, I think markets close early. This is just a bad time. This is a bad time to be trading overall. Okay, I think it's some holiday because on MLK Day markets close early, so it's kind of weird. We took one loss. Move on to the next day. We won't let that bother us. I wish TradingView would tell me about that. But on to the next. I still same thing as last time. I want to look for let's see. I want to look for that Judas swing because I'm trying to incorporate that into my trading. Oh, I think we already met. Okay, well, I guess no. We didn't miss it. We're expecting bearish prices just because of the Judas swing right here. Okay, let's see the midnight open. Midnight right here. So what we want to see for the Judas swing, we take out this high, little sweep of this high, push lower, and just place through this low. And this retracement into this order block would normally be our entry for the London traders, but we have to look for a New York Open trader. But this retracement to this first order block, this would be a good short. Bro, everyone just left. That's crazy. Okay, this is supposed to be like a one-on-one thing anyways, so we're chilling. Tap into the order block, you hold it, 15 handle stop, and you hold on shorts to the nearest drawn liquidity, which could be this low. That's what I was thinking of in my head, but let's look for a New York trade.
Isn't it when we take out the Asian high and low, it just is a seek and destroy day?
Not really. That's only if we do it during London, and you can see for London we did take out this low, so I'm expecting a Judas swing today, also because of our bias. So the Judas swing lines up with our bias. I'm extremely short biased on today. I'm going to be looking for shorts straight off open, like right off the rip. So let's look for them. So now we're inside the New York kill zone. Let's slow down our time frames a little bit. 15-minute, this high plus this mean threshold of this order block. Let's see it. Tap right here. I don't really think we can come up, take that out. We want to resort down to the 5-minute, note out our BPRs. This for value gap right here. It looks like we did tag into that, instantly rejected off. I want to be looking for volume imbalances, but I don't think we have anything significant. But let's see this. 5-minute, let's see. Let's observe our 5-minute open. I want to be marking out our midnight open on this too, because just how I trade. I forgot to mention, I also mark out the midnight opens a lot. So let's see this. Yeah, we got it down. Okay, so midnight open. I want to see low. I want to see prices above it retrace into something. Maybe take out this high right here. We already know it's midnight open, so I don't have to mark that out. And we're already bearish biased, so hide this, hide their low indicator. And all of our PD arrays, everything here. I was hoping we could get some sort of fair value gap on the higher time frame up here, but let's just look for push through it, displacement lower. And where's our midnight? Okay, we tapped it. We tagged it midnight open. We rejected off of it perfectly. We also swept out this high. Now we're getting some movement lower. I just watch the 5 minutes still. We could still get some dumps lower. We could look for an inversion play, but I really want to see more structure form before I look for a trade. Right here, you can see that this is a really small market maker reversal. Just a little profile of it. Took out this high, tapped midnight open, respected it perfectly. I would never short just straight off midnight open, by the way. So we're just gonna keep them worked out. I still want to see push through it to actually form a setup through midnight open, but if we don't get it, that's okay. Taking out this low, now we're starting to disrespect this fair value gap. I'm expecting this Judas swing to play out in full effect. The other model I was talking about, it would probably be taking this, what was it? Fair value gap, or this order block right here, just a tap of it, 15 handle stop loss. And most people just hold off of it just because of the Judas swing, hold lower. That was the model I was thinking of in my head of creating for beginners. Hopefully you guys can understand that. Just we had the Judas swing right here, displacement lower, New York session, the first Asia, what was it, order block we tap into here closest to midnight open. This one taps straight into it, displace lower. So some people could be holding shorts, but once I refine that model, we'll go over that a little bit more. Slow, value gap, still on a 5-minute. Okay, displacement through it. Now right here, I'd honestly be good for shorts. Just holding shorts down to this low, just because of Kiss. He was the one that taught us the inversion model, so dodgy. So just tap into this, try this out. Where would our stop be at? Because he would usually have a stop somewhere above here. I don't really agree with that. We have this fair value gap right here. I want to keep my losses extremely small. Wins, you already know how I feel when we wins. 1 to 3. So place order. I'm gonna de-risk on this one just because it's a new model. I don't really like trading it. And let's just do a market. Okay, let's see it. Let's see that low get taken out. I mean, this would be our original consolidation. I still want to see lower down to that. We could get a retracement higher, price we want to seek imbalances, but we have this order block right up here. And, yep, we got tagged out. We were out of the trade. That's fine. 5 minutes for value gap. I wish this would be paired with a BPR, but let's look for a redistribution entry, a size lower on that, so we still have some capital to play around with on this trade. Mitigation block also lines up with this one. I think we already tapped into it. I'm still extremely short biased just because of the Judas swing, overall high and low. I really want to see just one displacement leg lower, or I'd just be short off the rip with this mitigation block. Usually, because this would be our second leg distribution of a sell model. Also, keep in mind, we are range bound. So this could just be our little sweep lower and take out this high, target that. So if I am going to take this trade, I'm going to de-risk heavily because these conditions aren't really probable. Should we take another trade or should we just hold off and wait? Yo, G Crispy.
Wait, what does it look like on a higher time frame?
Which one? 4 hour? I'm really expecting us to take out these lows, push up higher, target these highs.
I would wait for more confluence, honestly.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Push up higher, ripped up higher. That's not rejection block. This would be considered the rejection block. Let me just tap out our threshold.
Wouldn't that be a Judas swing too? Because we swept that high.
I don't know what this was. Oh wait, 9:30 open. I think I had it wrong. My time is kind of messed up, but I thought we were already inside New York Open. That was my bad. Okay. Kind of strange. We're chopping a run for or New York Open. That trade should not have been taken. I'm sorry about that. Okay, now we ran up this high. I was a little bit confused for that one. Okay, let's see what we do. Now, there's two things telling me. We had the Judas swing, which would send us lower. It should typically send us lower, but where we're at on the higher time frame, we just took out of that low. We're in kind of a seek and destroy profile on the higher time frame.
Yep.
Let's see what we do. So, of course, watching the 5 minute, looking for confluences. Let's look for a draw on liquidity because we have these. I wouldn't call this low resistance liquidity. Unless you're dealing from the higher time frame, this would be considered low resistance liquidity. So I'd say this would be our draw. This could be our external draw, just because we took out that high. Conditions aren't really satisfactory because you can see seek and destroy right here on the lower time frame too. And this is just the first trading month after August, so we can't expect everything to clear up right away. So losses are pretty much expected here. And there's our value gap right here. Honestly, I'll set a limit for this. I would be calling out limits for this. And stop, I'd say mean threshold, this order block, like right up here. Target this low. It might be a little bit outrageous. Partials would be at this low. So, so limits. And our risk, 125.
So you just took it right after we ran through it?
Yeah, I kind of like this. So we tapped into it. Now I want to see what we do lower. Okay, this volatility isn't really something I like. I didn't like that. I like how we tapped into it, instantly rejected. I think our stop loss was a little bit too exaggerated. That high probably would have been a safer place. And yeah, I think I made that stop a little bit too crazy. And let's run lower. Took out that first low. That's where our partials would be at. Okay, but how much risk would that be? How much would that incur us on? Not much. That's a little bit too much. That's exactly at the 15 handle mark. I don't really like going above 12, but let's run lower. I want to see this. Since we already tapped it into this one, or this lower here, our partials have been taking. I still want to see this low get taken. But we don't have to. Oof, this is bad. Especially on the 5 minute, that's bad. You don't want to see that if you're trading.
Where's the daily DOL?
Daily draw on liquidity, it's still higher in my opinion.
Yeah.
This high right here, we still have to fully fill out this imbalance. So I'm still high, bullish on the daily. We did also just fill out this fair value gap, but scale lower. We're trading bad conditions right now, so I'm not really too surprised that we're going to be taking losses. But look at that 15 minute. I would just skip over this day entirely. But I was supposed to teach you about improbable conditions. A month right after August, I told you about this. I already told you about this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, September. Terrible time to trade. Look at all of our New York sessions. You could obviously see how bad they are. We did fill out the fair value gap, so I can expect higher prices. We could kind of look for.
Yeah, we're definitely going to head higher.
Yeah, we're expecting higher. We just took out this low. Kind of a soup entry. This fair value gap. I want to see what we do when we tap into it. because this one's
We
also a
take an
BPR.
entry there after that for that gap.
Shorts or longs? Because this looks like a BPR.
Longs.
No longs? Let's see what happens. Tap into our BPR. Looks like we're ejecting straight off of it. And we run straight through it. Perfect. And this would be an inverse play.
Longs.
You'd still be looking for longs?
I would have entered longs in that fair value gap.
This one?
No, the other one.
Which one? This one right
Probably would
here.
have got stopped out. Yeah, probably would have got stopped out.
I mean, this one was respected throughout the entire thing. I like seeing the wicks respected, but we already filled it out. Still, this isn't really something I'd like to see or trade. We're gonna reject softly. Oh, what's up, M2?
Yo, what's good?
What's
Hey,
up?
I joined in here, so I found some more like
Skipping rows.
sounds.
Mm-hmm.
I just came in here, kind of like test them.
Go for it.
All right, appreciate it. Hold
I'm
on.
moving a few days ahead.
Wait, man, did you say something? Hello.
My brother ran in here, did some outrageous stuff. Alright, so what's up?
Oh no, I thought you said something. I don't know.
Oh no, you're good. You can test out the sounds if you want. Okay, I think conditions have cleared up a bit. M2, how do you feel about trading a month after August? How do you feel about trading September?
Oh, who, me?
Yeah, how do you feel about trading September?
Wait, me or Christy?
You.
Oh, I'll be honest. I heard it's pretty bad to trade in September.
I know, I'm
Oh,
trying to do it
man.
right now.
I was. Oh yeah, that's cool. I was gonna ask about. So I was backtesting. So I backtested.
This. What's up?
And so the month of March was kind of bad, bro. Is that like normal?
Yeah, it's normal. March is gonna be pretty bad. April clears up a lot. What is it?
Yeah, end of April was really good for me personally. I had like 5 winning trades each week. It was crazy.
I know.
Or
It was
5.
good. I
Yeah.
don't know
And
why. We really okay, bro. I'm sorry, G. We're not trading September. Like, every single time I backtested with this dude, we tried trading September. We got whooped every single
Oh,
time.
yeah.
It's been so
Really?
bad. Yeah, I'm not trading September. I'm sorry. I'm
Right, I'll
pushing
back-
out. We're going to October. Passing a 50k account in October because I'm not doing this. This is just killing my
Oh crap!
confidence.
Bro, Mantis, we
Oh.
gotta trade tomorrow, bro.
We are?
we
Yeah,
gotta
we're
do
gonna
it.
live trade tomorrow. I'm pretty confident about tomorrow.
I know. I can't believe I'm actually out of school and you're out of school again. That's actually
Finally.
crazy.
I'm gonna be calling
I'm
out price swings by the minute again. Trade some Enigma.
Jeez, bro. Oh god.
No,
Nah, I might skip school Tuesday, bro. I'm not even kidding.
You want to? I don't have school Tuesday. You don't have to skip it.
I might skip. I don't know.
What is Paul doing? Hold up, what is this? Euro USD? Oops. I think
Fuck your puts.
Uh-oh.
Fuck your calls.
I get so angsty every single time I backtest. I'm not even kidding. I feel anger. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the way it trades.
Fuck your calls.
Okay. Smooth candles enabled. Okay, M2, you want to help me trade this? Why is it on Euro USD? What am I doing wrong? Swirl's on NQ. Yeah, it's on NQ. What the? Yo, I think I broke my FX replay. Are you serious? I'm done. Look at all this. You see this? I have had no wins on this. This is crazy. This is embarrassing. Doesn't bother me though. Okay, hop out of some of these, get rid of some of these so I can clear it up. Maybe I'm just blowing the servers up. Okay. Perfect.
Okay, guys, ready?
Yeah.
Ready,
Let's
guys?
see it.
Wait.
3, 2, 1, let's fuck!
That's
Nice. Let's do the for open.
yeah. I did his market open. So
Alright, let's demolish this. Let's tear into this. Let's get some music playing. Let's demolish this market. So, hopefully you guys can't hear this. I'm gonna play some music. I don't care if my streamer hears it. Because I'm already getting copyright strikes for it, so I don't care that copyright strike me all you want.
We're gonna take out the equal highs.
Exactly. These conditions are so much clearer. You're gonna watch.
And we're probably gonna take out the rest of the highs.
Yeah. Alright, there we go. We'll do permaculture. Perfect. Okay, so lows taking out, equal highs up here. We have a little bit of inducement. We're gonna take this out. Looks really clean. Like this. Makes me feel better. Doesn't make me feel like I'm gonna get trapped in some trashy short. Let's watch this. Fair value up here. Sell models are holding up nicely.
2, 1, let's
Now
go!
skip over to our open and we'll see this. Oh, we went straight through the open. I'm sorry. We have PMI today in Powell. We wouldn't be trading today anyways. We'd be watching out. Price session was sucked. Okay, now let's not move straight over it. Market our 8:30 and midnight open. I usually like to do that. Helps me with confluence. Till bam. Straight up take this one out. And 8:30 right here. So 8:30 and midnight open. We're gonna keep these two marked out. Check out the daily. Conditions are so good to make me happy. So whenever for value gap and it looks like we're in the higher time frame buy model, we can run straight through this. Okay, any PD arrays, we kind of want to fill up all these imbalances up here. Doesn't look too promising, but I like these conditions way better than September. Hop down to the hourly. We have the fair value gap right up here. And we didn't really respect it as much as I wanted, but these highs are our short-term draw on liquidity. So, with that in mind, let's see our mean threshold is order block, just to get a gauge on things. We're pretty bullish, so pretty happy about that. Just mark out this little gap, 5 minutes. I want the fair value gap to hold. We have this mitigation block right here that we could tap into. So I'll just keep these two marked out. We're still in 1 minute, yeah. Now let's watch our open. If we trade below midnight open to one of these fair value gaps or BPR, I would be pretty happy to trade longs off a reaction. Straight through that. Okay, now we tap into this. I just want to see what happens because I don't really want to hold through midnight open. And we could also form a sell model here, but I'm bullish on the day, so don't fight our bias. Let's see this. Now we just ran out these equal lows plus this low. Scale into the 1 minute, look for an entry because I want to catch an anticipation of a breaker. If we had an SMT, I would be instantly long. Let's see this. Let's see what we do here. I don't really think this fair value gap would become a target. I'm still expecting higher prices. Okay. Now, this right here looks kind of ballsy to take a trade off of, but I wouldn't mind it. We're on a fresh 50k. Yeah, we're on a fresh 50k. I'm willing to de-risk on this trade. Take it. 4.75 handle stop. Not bad. First high would be this target. That would be our first high. Alright. Size down, $85 risk. Buy limit right here. Tagged in. And I should have taken partials. No, I'm still gonna hold. Okay, this is where I'd have partials. I'd say stop to break even here. So
There's roadblocks.
life is what? Okay, I'm gonna move stop in profits down to this low. This
Order filled.
Order filled. Okay. Well, we almost got our high taken out. Got a little bit too greedy. This could have been our first take profit. We came up with some profits though. If we would have held to break even, I'm still thinking we could run to a take profit like this. But you gotta realize we paper hand. I didn't really want a paper hand, but it happens to the best of us. Some of us would have gone out too, just because this market structure shift. We could have trapped some people in longs, but you gotta realize the higher time frame narrative. Check it out on the 5 minute. Yeah, we just ran out these highs. We failed to shift market structure on the higher time frame, which I just call this a failure swing, and we were below midnight open. Holding longs up to this high would have been prime. If I had enough time to think, because I'm kind of speed running this, I most definitely would have held longs up to this high. And that would have taken us out of break even, but we're chilling with it. I'm still really confident in higher draw. Oh, it did actually. Okay, it's fine. Should I look for the 5 minutes overworld M2? Actually, I think we already formed it. Yeah, this one would have failed today. Down below. This value gap has my eyes on this one.
Oh, Mantis, I'd personally, yeah, I would do that one.
That one?
Because if
you would have been taken out.
Yeah.
Displacement through that low. Turns out, on the higher time frame, after this market structure shift, right here, this 15-minute, respected this fair value gap perfectly. So, looks like we took that out. We were wrong. Alright, let's see. I don't like how range bound we're being, but trade. 5 minutes. Okay, after a loss like that, I usually wait until PM. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Wait for PM, or for major sweeps. Okay, we already hit PM. Let's see if we got that displacement. Displacement directly at 1 PM. I'm kind of bullish now. So, hop on that 5 minute. Look for the sweep, this fair value gap. I'm gonna take a trade long, just straight off the mean threshold of this order block. This one. Take out this low. We have this. We're short biased. Let me check out the higher time frame, see what it says. I mean, kind of ran through that low. How was this order block?
Fuck your calls.
This order block was kind of respected. I don't like that. This would be considered a rejection block to the upside. I'm going to utilize the IPTA look back in our next trade, because I'm kind of just running through this quickly. Alright. We already missed our... No, we didn't miss our best entry. Okay. We're going to go based off lower time frame. Sure. And I'm not gonna. Okay, this is way too much risk. Let's actually just put it a little bit. Just throw it right here. Oh, fine, we'll do that. 5 handle stop on this trade. We have this little order block that could support us, so. Okay, that's a little bit too tight. I want extremely low risk for this trade, because it's just really ballsy, so I'd say 40 on this trade would be chill. Buy limit tagged in, just rejection. Okay. Now let's watch to see if we have anything we like. Not much. Ran straight through. What do we expect? Already filled this 1 minute fair value gap. Oh, this looks so good for longs. Let's just see it. Yeah, that looks so good for longs. This 1 minute fair value gap should have been a real entry. I think I failed to spot that one though. So it's kind of my bad. And now you can. Daily bias. I mean, I use the PDA matrix for the most part, even though I'm getting absolutely I'm getting absolutely demolished right now. Okay, I think my charts are breaking up too. I think we have news. This is weird for me. Okay, 30. There's no data. Okay, you know what? That's weird. I use the PDA matrix to see if we're in a deep discount or premium. Look for our most current program they're in. I just look back, as you can see, sell model up here, buy model down here. Looks like we're gonna push up higher. I'm just gonna skip through this because my daily chart's working. I'm expecting higher prices off this, so you can see higher prices. I want to find some PDA array on the higher time frame. It doesn't even show me my price. Okay, I'm looking for higher time frame up here to get taken out, and using that look back, I think this is just gonna be. I'm just gonna restart my charts. I'm gonna go over the daily bias real quick. Guys, it should be easy. Really easy to determine. Okay, so using the IPTA 2040 60-day look back, you can see that we took out these lows and we are rejecting straight off of it. We formed this little rejection block up here. This high down to our most recent form low. We're looking for this. We're looking to fill up other PD arrays, and we're looking for where we're heading. Of course, we're heading higher. We're not really getting much of a reaction or respect to go lower. So, of course, my bias is I'm pretty long biased at the moment. Okay, so these equal highs. We had our eyes on these equal highs up here for a while, and we have this fair value gap that I don't think we entirely filled. We filled this one completely. Now all I'm really looking for is kind of a reversal, like just this fair value gap or some other fair value gaps could get inversed, and we could look for longs off that. So I'm long biased right now, and I don't really think today would be a good day to trade. Just skip through this. It's 11 PM. Let's look for our next open. Clear out my head a bit. Okay, 10:15 AM. We had 3 drives at these lows. We rejected off that. Inversing these PD arrays is a start drawing liquidity. 50-minute. Okay, we have all 3 of these highs. And I'm really just expecting us to slice straight through it. I can't really see an entry right now, but it's already 10, so we're a little bit late to the party. fixing this fair value gap. This mitigation block was also on top of it. That was kind of clean. We don't really have a fair value gap mitigation entry right now, so we're just gonna watch this high get ran out. And any displacement lower, I'm not really expecting to hold up. I just want to see how this fair value gap holds. Go to the 5 minute, see what we're doing on the 5 minute. Occasionally, I also would like to look at DXY, but I don't really do that here. Okay, let's see. Kind of put us into a sell model, actually. Right here. Would we fight our bias and take shorts right here? Or what do you think? G Crispy.
Yeah,
You want to take shorts?
fuck it.
Yeah, let's do it. Taking enough losses on the day anyways. Alright, this would probably be my take profit down here. With us, okay, I don't like this, bro. I really don't like it. Let's see it though. Hit it up at 125.
Now you gotta hold it. You gotta hold it to original consolidation.
Original consolidation. I'm not holding down to original consolidation. I know we're gonna get reaction lower, and this is where I'd take profits. Just because I feel like it's just gonna be a higher time from retrace. If we have to retrace properly, so we can go a little bit further down here, we can look for displacement through this low, but it's the most I can do without fighting our bias. If you want to throw our thing from this high to this low, most recent one, we're already inside of a discount. Now what? Now what do you think? Because we're already pushing into a buy model. Cut it or hold it? Because I want to cut it.
Yeah, cut it.
Cut it, alright. Now watch this displacement lower. No, I'm kidding. We just ran out this high. That would have taken us out anyway, so there's no reason to stress it.
Seems like we're just chopping around.
Really? I feel like I'm killing my confidence just by that backtesting here, even though I know.
Bro, look at that price action, bro. Like, what?
I'm chilling. I wish I had DXY. DXY helps me so much. I'm able to call displacement legs, everything. M2 knows that. He's my vouch.
Do the high time frame power 3 on the sessions.
Should. I want to. Can I? Oh wait, no, I can't. Hold up. I'm a little bit confused now. I might just go replay session on F. No, I'm replay sessioning on here. Okay, let's go to a random point in price. Hop on the daily. Scroll this out so I don't see. I'm not looking at my charts. All right, where should I go back?
Shit, a month ago.
December? December price action was
Yeah,
weird.
sure.
What do you mean? Okay, you know what this.
I mean, September was bad.
Okay, as long as it's not September. Let's hop on the 5 minute. Okay, as long as I can scale into the 5, we can frame trades off that. Just because I have my indicators back. I don't have DXY, but we should be able to call it out a lot better. Okay, top down, throw all that out the window. Not a problem anymore. Start out this high. Let's see how this rejection block forms. I have all my fancy tools here too. Dump to the rejection block.
We're on lower.
I'm just gonna hop on the 15 minute. Okay, displacement lower.
Discount.
Yeah, I want to see us return to a premium. See how these premium fair value gaps hold up, and that's all I'm really looking for at the moment.
Gonna go?
This is,
Yep.
Whoa, is
Yes,
that
the logic.
ICT?
Abso-fucking-lutely. Will it repeat? Abso-fucking-lutely.
Oh wait, is that use M2? Hold up. He added so much.
Concept that is proof
That's
to shit.
me.
That
I
means
also
if they can
added
do it,
a
they can do it,
picture
you
of
can fucking do it.
ICT.
Hey, I
It's
like
like
that.
amazing.
Thank you, M2. You have lifetime admin. Okay.
Dude, like, I know what I want to add, but I don't know if it exists. Like, I haven't found it yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah. How do I
Yeah.
shift?
We're gonna come back
Okay.
tomorrow to like 50 sounds.
Okay, you know what? We're not even trading inside of a session. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm feeling a lot happier now. Let's do this. I have everything I needed. Except for my boxes, they don't show up here for some reason. Display. Let's do 100 days back.
60 days back.
Oh yeah, I think you should have. Yeah, I think you're right about that. Let's do 60. Oh wait, what? Oh, there we go. Perfect. We fixed it. Alright. Now we're looking for midnight open. Boom. Okay, mark that out. Have our midnight. Toss in our midnight open right here. And first, I'm going to be really intricate with this one, so let me fix this up. Oops, what was that? I think I just disconnected my head. No, I didn't. I did. Okay. Now we have all my nifty tools. We just ran out this low. If I get displacement higher, then I am bullish. That's all I can say. So now I'm looking for displacement higher. And we already formed our low, so I'm looking for an open high, displacement higher. I'm looking for a lower close just because it's Friday. So Friday, we have a little bit of, what was it called? TGIF. There we go. So now let's just watch our 5-minute, look for displacement higher. If we don't get it, then it's alright. We don't have a Judas.
And the manipulation move should make the higher the low of the day, right?
Yeah, okay. Please displace this through.
Yeah.
Boom, okay, so we displaced straight through. Now we have a valid Judas swing. We could take out this low twice if we wanted. So we have our minute open. Now let's look for 8:30 open. Move through this, pumping straight through just because of the Judas swing. And wait for 8:30. And let's see this. I want to see how this would work out. I was talking about I wanted to make a new beginner model similar to like the Silver Bullet. This order block is what I tell people to trade, 15 handle stop. Let's see. It'd be in on this.
I don't like how we displaced so low though.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm just gonna be very systemized. The 15-minute fair value gap right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to find a name for that, but that one, target that high. They lost their accounts on that one. And now this is becoming a seek and destroy profile just because Asia took out both highs and lows. But that's not exactly the case. We could still push lower and avoid a seek and destroy day. I just have to know what news we have. And looking at the daily candle, that's pretty cool. Full screen this because we're locking in. Stretch it cleaner. Now let's look for 8:30.
We could definitely come higher though for as
Yeah,
the market maker buy model.
8:30 open. Did I mark it out? Oh yeah, we got it. Okay, so both marked out. 8:30 open. Now let's see what we do. This is where I want to be looking for long. I mean, you can see this right here. This is where I want to be looking for longs. Already got a little minute open. Ran into this one. So oh, I can't. You can't go on the 50. You can't go on the 1 minute. I forgot about that.
Do the inverse value gap on the time frame you're just on.
IFVG, you really want to take long off this?
Yeah, I would wait for market to open though. See how we react off the shit.
Yeah, we don't trade until market opens. It's kind of cheating if we take one here. So 9.
Yeah, that's why you wait.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, boom, market open.
Damn.
Yeah, we would have been murdered on that. Okay, that's why I always wait for me. Oh, I got rid of. Oh, let me bring all this back. Always wait for market open. I think we're.
Was that news?
Huh? I don't know. I can't see news.
Was
so
that
we're
news?
kind of just guessing here, so.
Oh, that's gotta be news.
Could be. It doesn't have to be. Took out this low, this fair value gap right here. If we actually close into a fair value gap, we're in a deep premium. I just want to see our current high and low. Calculate, compute it.
BPR.
We are bullish because of our Judas swing. Don't keep that in mind. We are bullish. We have this BPR right here. Okay, I'm just gonna trade the tap into it. I can't see the 1 minute. I remember. Okay, hold up. Just you remember tactical traders, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is kind of cheating. How much handles would this be, bro? He did a replay session on stream. He absolutely just failed out. Okay, this would have been a valid trade to take. Okay, you know,
He was failing.
He blew. He just like what I normally do on this. You know how I mess up my trading, right? Okay, that would have taken me out instantly. Like how I'm. What was it? Okay, this is a news event. You could obviously see that. But literally, he failed. He lost every single trade, similar to what I was doing on the back testing session. Deleted the stream afterwards. Just instantly deleted it. He had a few recordings where he did that too. I mean, I feel like it's something weird with ICT traders. I thought he was just trash trader and he failed. But I can't even do anything about this. I suck at this too.
Price action is just really bad since it's New Year.
Yeah.
Beginning of the year at
No,
least.
we're gonna push through it then. Sometimes I also think it has something to do with us just rushing through it. Because I was supposed to be done 15 minutes ago. I'm going to the store, but I'm staying here until I actually can explain good. I went too far. I didn't realize I'd go this far forward. Okay, you know what?
Just go back.
Go back. I don't. Well, that's cheating.
Well, I mean, if you have confluences, you know.
It's cheating. I can't do that. I have honor. Even though I might have to end this off soon. Then I can come back. We're gonna hit up another back test. Is this current? I'm disappointed, bro. You know what? I might just give a homework. Watch some ICT. Because this is just utter fail on this end. I'm bullish tomorrow. We're live trading tomorrow. We're gonna take a win. I'm gonna prove myself tomorrow. We're taking a win, or we're not gonna take any trade at all. It would be the most high quality banger setup we've ever seen. Yeah. I'm studying tonight. I'm gonna hit up your DMs, G Crispy, alright?